Hello, today I will be talking about three very important questions. And to start off, it would be which assignment best represents you as a teacher using children's literature? I would say that the assignment that best represents me is the family literacy backpack because it was super creative and I consider myself to be a very creative person. And this consisted of me putting in books, assignments, and then a little bear, even though it was a little virtual. This represents me more as a teacher. I am very creative. I like to do a lot of STEM-based activities. I love reading. I don't like to make students fall asleep. I'm more of like, let's get this hands-on type of thing. To the second question, it would be which assignment are you most proud of? And I would say that I'm most proud of my book trailer because I am not tech savvy, and this one definitely made me have a couple colorful hairs because I had no idea how to create this. I was super lost. I had to watch tons and tons of different videos, but as the time goes with Laverne, I have actually acquired a lot of like a lot of techniques that have helped me with technology. And last but not least is which assignment was the most challenging for me. And I would say that the most challenging one for me was the virtual library field trip because I would have had wished that I had a Zoom type of video in here. I'm a very visual person, so this paper one was not something that I was proud of, and it was challenging more because I am a perfectionist and I like to have the things the way that I vision them, and this was something that I didn't envision, but it was something that I had to work with because I couldn't find a librarian that was actually willing to do a Zoom video because the librarians that I know in my school district actually are all on vacation, so that sucked for me. But overall, this assignment was very fun. I did wish that I would have had a Zoom video in here or some sort of video of me speaking to the librarian and actually having an interaction. But other than that, I enjoyed this year with Mr. Stark, with Dr. Stark, and thank you so much for everything that you have taught us in this semester. I really enjoyed, and I hope I get you again for another class. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful night.